If you're a Game of Thrones fan, listen up. There's a brand new experience here in Northern Ireland you do not want to miss. You'll find it at Linen Mills Studios here in Banbridge. And it's going to take you closer to the Seven Kingdoms than you've ever been before. Opened in 2022, this is one of the original filming locations.
Linen Mill Studios, as the name suggests, used to be a linen mill for many, many, many years. And then around 2010, when that industry went to other shores, around that time HBO were in Northern Ireland looking and scouting for locations to set this new TV show, Game of Thrones. You know, long story short, the facility here was adapted into the production facilities.
Visitors here can see how ideas were transformed from the intricate concept sketches to the unforgettable settings that you see on screen. To learn more about the experience, I caught up with tour guide James Ayres.
So you start off by walking through the famous ice tunnel, as you do at the beginning of the show. Yep. You see those three rangers walk through the wall, and you end up north of the wall, the land of giants and White Walkers, Whites and the undead. You meet Hodor at the famous door, and then what you're essentially doing is making your way down the map. So you find yourself in the home of the Night's Watch at Castle Black, and then you would move further south and you end up at Winterfell, the home of the Starks. The Warden of the North is like the centerpiece of our tour because it is the one set on the entire tour that hasn't moved an inch since they built it. So all those scenes that you see take place in Winterfell Hall were shot exactly where our set is now.
Wow.
And then we journey even further south to Dragonstone, which is the home of the Targaryen family. In that room as well, we see a lot of the costume design. Then we're going to hop across the water to Bravos, which is where the faceless men are from.
And you can actually put your own face up on the wall as well.
And you can,
right?
yeah. We've set up devices where you take a photo of yourself and then you see yourself planted
That's cool.
up. We then come here, the capital of Westeros, King's Landing. We see the incredible map courtyard. So
are there any interactive things outside of the faces?
Oh, absolutely. We've got early stages of motion capture. Right. So you stand in front of a screen and then it dresses you in costumes from the show.
Wow.
We have our own armory here. Tommy Dunn, who was our weapons master, helped set it up. He created and designed all of the weapons you see in the show, from swords to axes to the scorpion, this giant crossbow that they use. And as the tour winds up, you end up in the throne room, and what makes it ever so special is you get to see the one and only throne that was ever made. So it's your one opportunity to see the Iron Throne.
This is a must-do experience when you're visiting Northern Ireland. You will have a whole new appreciation of what goes into producing the sets, the costumes, the special effects. It really is amazing. And you'll have a whole new appreciation of what goes into creating a blockbuster like the Game of Thrones.